Oh hey, um, it's been a couple months since I made a video, and I figured with the last couple winter storms we got about 4 inches of snow or so, and it's just beautiful out in the woods. It's like 20-ish degrees or so, so not too bad. Um, Pretty decent. No wind really to speak of, and it's just quiet and amazing outside. Now, here in west central Indiana, we really don't get a huge amount of snow compared to like Minnesota or Michigan or uh, the Plains states, or definitely not Alaska. So it's fairly mild to moderate around here, so not that bad really. It'd be great once in a while you maybe have a blizzard, but not too often. Plus, this also gives me a test to wear my ballistic helmet, which I haven't really shown off a whole lot in detail in a lot of videos. I've got the multicam cover, and you might be asking, why am I wearing browns? Because the trees are brown. Unless you live in a tundra where there's no trees, um, you're going to have pine trees. You're going to have trees that are in season that are obviously past fall. So you're going to see white and brown. And I'm not against white. I just don't have any per se. But I would maybe mix it up and wear white with brown. Like, oh, you're wearing green. Yes, there is still some green out here. It's a little bit. Little bushes, your occasional evergreen tree or whatnot, you'll see that. So it's not a big deal. Don't get too autistic and OCD about it. Believe me, I know. So it's good. Anyways, I've been up the last couple months. Well, I haven't had any internet. I recently got internet right before Christmas. We got fiber optic internet, decent speeds, like 250 megabytes, up and down. So I'll be able to upload more often and do a better job of it. Before, I was uploading from work, so they have Wi-Fi at work. But yeah, so I've been up to Merry late Christmas, Merry late early New Year, I guess. Um, in January in our neck of the woods is when we really get snow, not so much in December. Your mileage may vary in different northern states. Um, I'm glad we mostly have snow here. I'm actually very grateful for this because I know, like in the states, I grew up in Mississippi as a kid on the coast, but I knew like upper mid Mississippi, Kentucky, Tennessee during the winter, and you guys get ice and sleet, and that is to me just far worse. That's then you have the hollers and mountains and whatnot, and curvy roads, and that's just a lot more dangerous. So I'm really grateful for. We're mostly just been getting snow lately, and actually not this snowstorm a day or two ago, but the week before we got a little bit of ice with it. But we've been pretty lucky so far. It's early yet, so we'll see how the until March progresses. Anyways, I'll just take some footage here. I'm gonna do my little patrol in the woods. Oh, last time I was out, I was somewhere this way, and I found a car that had been overturned and upside down. You see the body, the unibody underneath it. Can't determine the year. I'm assuming sometime 60s and 70s. Who knows? Maybe Jimmy Hoffa's still in it. But yeah, weird stuff out here, and I'm not worried about any cryptids or anything because after a long-term thought analysis about it, I'm pretty sure it's pretty much hogwash. So that's cool. Not that it's really ever been a question. But yeah, I'm just enjoying the winter and the snow weather. And here in a few months, you'll start the green sprouts will be spreading up and everything, and it'll be a good time for multicam as well. And of course, woodland back to that after that. Not much else to say, even though it's been a couple months. Just been plugging along, working, trying to get stuff lined up. Have family over and all this. And the last snowstorm I want to get out and make a video, but it was pretty crappy out, and I was pretty lazy. And today I'm actually not being lazy, so that's cool. That's amazing. And I think that's it for now. I might want to, in my next video, I'm thinking about wearing more regular clothes. I'm going to go over the layers. I suppose I could go over this, what exactly I'm wearing. So I'm wearing like a polyester Under Armour thermal, as far as over my underwear, and then over that I'm just wearing like your Mossy Oak camo pants. I've got some snow boots, guys, for boots. I think from a budget mindset, 150 bucks is pretty good pair of boots you're gonna get. Just check your reviews. And as long as they're 4 or greater, or 8 out of 10 or greater, then you're probably gonna be okay. Under the jacket here, well, I've had the jacket for a while, but I'm wearing just a t-shirt, and I'm wearing a Mossy Oak kind of a quarter zip thing with the neck up. It's keeping me pretty warm. This jacket over it. Oh, gloves. I'm wearing actually 2 gloves. Your kind of standard GI glove, which definitely keeps you warm. It's great for warmth. But if I were to stick in this little creek here, it'd be very fucking wet. Very cold. So, just get some gloves outfit over it. Kind of acts as a shell. So, it's better protecting you. So, 2 layers of gloves. Wearing some balaclava. I'm wearing a kind of skull cap kind of thing underneath my helmet, and it's very smooth, so it keeps my helmet in line and acts as kind of like another layer. And I started to wear the helmet today because I took this off originally, spray painted it, but I figured with the leaves and the trees and dirt and everything that's showing, it blends in a lot better actually. So this is basically a hat, and it'll help keep your heat in as well. If it gets really cold, I can actually drop the ears down and be pretty well insulated. Basically, earmuffs. And then I can turn on switch and hear whatever's in my area. So that's cool. But yeah, so anyways, that's pretty much my video for today. And thanks for checking along me and chugging along. And hopefully you get some better stuff here going for too long. And I think that's about it. Alright, you guys, have a good January. Later.